Hey, welcome to InnoWays. I know you miss the simple, clean look from iOS 17, right? No worries. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore the classic Photos app layout in just a few easy steps. Without any delay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Photo app in your iOS 18. Once you're inside the app, scroll down through the app. Now, if you don't want to see categories like people, pets, pinned collections, or other sections, don't worry. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for the Customize and Reorder option and tap on it. Once you're in the customization screen, you'll see a list of all the available categories in the Photos app. Now, you can go through these categories and customize them according to your preferences. However, if you want a simple and clean layout like the older iOS 17 version, just uncheck all the categories except for media types and utilities, and remove all the other categories that you don't need. After you've made your changes, close the settings and go back to the Photos app. You'll now notice that your Photos tab only shows the photo library, which includes just media types and utilities, just like the iOS 17 layout. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips like this.